right, making landfall as we speak, and so it's going to continue to slide further off to the north. Could it impact our area here? Well, we'll see. I'm going to show you that in just a minute. Right now, no impacts from the storm. We have even our clouds trying to clear out. Now, we have low-level cloudiness over us right now, and so, yeah, it's going to be one of those muggy starts to the morning. In fact, look at the temperatures in the 70s just about everywhere you look. 71 over toward Carrollton, 73 degrees in Athens, 75 in Marietta. You're at 76 in George's Rome, a couple 60s up here to the far north. Blairsville at 67 and 69 degrees over toward Clayton at the current hour. Not a whole lot going on over us right now, but we're expecting or anticipating those showers and thunderstorms to pop back up once again as we head into the afternoon. Not everyone gets wet. Good 40 to 50% chance for those scattered showers and thunderstorms, similar to what we had over the weekend. And so welcomed wet weather, folks. It's been very dry around here, so we'll watch it. There's a better look at Beryl now. Again, has made landfall and will continue to slide further off to the north and weaken as it continues to move over land. Notice the stationary boundary that's just about on top of us right now, actually just south of the area. You get little waves riding along that, and so the showers and thunderstorms once again for the afternoon. Now, no severe weather threat here. You look off to the west where the remnants from the storm will continue to slide to the north. That's where you're going to find your threat for severe weather. For us, that light green shade just means a general threat for thunderstorms. And again, we need that water. 50% chance for it around for today, 40% chance by tomorrow. So tomorrow will be a similar day to today. Got a little carbon copy going. And then notice by the time we get to the middle of the work week, by Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, that chance of rain drops down just a little bit. All right, let's talk about Beryl now. The wind's up to 80 miles per hour, moving to the north at about 12 miles per hour. Again, has made landfall. Will continue to slide further off to the north. You can see the onshore flow, right, coming into Galveston, Houston area. That's where you're getting the brunt of the storm, the brunt of the winds with this particular storm as it continues to lift further off to the north. No doubt, Houston folks are going through it as we speak. Here is the latest track from the Hurricane Center, and it shows that the storm will continue to slide up to the north and then start to veer back off toward the east. But notice it stays up toward the north and east, so it stays away from us. So that's good news for us. We won't get a lot of the rainfall from the remnants as it continues to push further off to the north. In fact, again, our skies will start to dry out a little bit as we head toward the end of the week as that's moving further to the north of us. Here's how all that plays out. Our forecast track model, you can follow along with me with the time, right there at the top of the screen, shows the clouds in place for this morning, but by mid-morning into early afternoon, those clouds get out of the way. We'll have mostly sunny, partly sunny skies will be the call. And then after about 2 or 3 o'clock is when we can start to see some of these showers beginning to form. There will be a few embedded thunderstorms. Again, some heavy rain, some frequent lightning certainly possible with that. I think that these showers will linger in the area until about 10 o'clock tonight. And then we'll do it all over again for you Tuesday. Start you off with partly to mostly cloudy skies. Once we get to the afternoon, scattered showers, thunderstorms begin to pop up. A good 30 to 40% chance on your Tuesday. By Wednesday, once we get to the afternoon, that's down to a 20% chance for rain. So there you have it right there. Notice the temperatures will remain in the low 90s right on through much of the week. It won't be until we get to the weekend that we'll see those temperatures going up. 95 on Saturday, Sunday, 96. So it's going to be a very hot weekend around here once again.